performance racing school.
Do a radio check here real quick. So it looks like 16's behind me. Just check in with your truck number real quick.
Truck 16, checking in. Cruising along.
Off to the dirt. Let's go. All right, Tyler's turn. Got the crazy views out here in Utah, and some beautiful roads just like Pennsylvania. We're really testing the stability capabilities of this new camera.
Faster?
Yeah. We'll get there. This is just testing how it handles the bumps and all that. At this moment, he wishes he stretched before he got in. We're gonna be in the hot tub tonight, boys. Tyler's enjoying himself.
I'm driving a $120,000 truck. I don't know.
Well, I mean, if you crash it, you own it.
You can't get blood from a stone.
So nice and easy all the way across. When Joey instructs you, you'll turn left.
Don't worry, honey, I did this in the course. We'll be fine.
I know I missed the off ramp, but that was about the right angle.
I know what I'm doing. No, you don't. You said that before. Here we go.
One of you sitting on your hand, Mike, just let you know.
That's not too bad.
How's it going, brother? Great. Sweet.
There's the ground.
Great. How's it going up there, brother? I haven't fallen out yet. Awesome.
Can't have your master with that down.
And nothing but sky.
Alright, you must up trail turn instead.
Alright, so what we're looking for is maintain 5 or 6 miles an hour through the turn, full steering lock.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, it's making noise. Ah, you can hear it, feel it grab, eh?
Yeah. It's tricky to keep it going the right speed. Because everything's grabbing, right?
Yeah.
Keep them
Yeah, you just gotta modulate that throttle a little.
I just keep it as steady as I can, yeah.
Alrighty, so Baja mode, sweet baby Jesus. No babysitters. Gonna move around quite a bit. Sliding left, hands left, sliding right, hands right.
Alright.
ABS at the end. Enjoy Baja.
Sounds good, thank you.
Thank you.
As soon as the bumper hits, he's going, so I can get that boost.
Okay, rock crawl. So rock crawl, use it for trail driving. Truck's not stressed, right? We got surplus of torque, right? Because we have multiplication because we're low range. So we still have quite a bit of mobility because we have a 10-speed, which is awesome. It's basically off-road mode, but the throttle's a little different. The way the pedal interacts with it. I make it smoother so you can do a little more technical stuff, right? We don't want to break traction on the rock or anything. So that's the difference between this and off-road. You can have that from time to time.
That's pretty good rock, sir.
Yeah, the throttle is pretty numb. You're not getting like that close.
Yeah.
There's a few tree branches that are broken off, you know, we don't really scrape the truck. But yeah, we just come out here and drive, and the locals do a good enough job tearing stuff up. Which is actually why this climb has got worse over the years. We were able to drive, pretty much drive up to the thing, but UTVs, man, they tear us down like crazy. And again, it's just monkey see, monkey do. We're working with the tree on the left to avoid touching the ledge on the right. I'll drive over Kate's toes. Values them.
And then you're not even touching the brake.
You got it.
Perfect.
Is that an accidental or just you guys need help?
Get on.
No, just got the little bump there.
I had to test it. All right, well, it's lunchtime and we made it to a huge peak, I guess, of the trail where you can see the view is absolutely awesome out here. Kind of like the Wild West, but you got mountains as well, so doesn't get much better than this, honestly. Raptors and views, and we even got lunch, so we're good to go.
Four-wheeler's coming. Look at that.
We're a little cruising the Raptor in the mountains. It looks crazy on the right hand side. All I see is blue. It's just a little meandering trail up the mountain. It's nothing to see here. This is it, right?
stopped at their facility. This is where they built their own course.
Gas, and right.
When do I turn the wheel sideways?
Well, you're right when it feels like it lifts.
No.
Intrusive thoughts.
Gas, full gas, and lift. Gas, full gas, and lift. 16 Joey, I got eyes on you. Eyes up. Turn your head, look through that left side window. Through those corners, 10 points of reference. Eyes up. Power. Light brake in a straight line. Turn the wheel slowly. Light brake. Through that right side window. Power. Patience, look down that straightaway and power. And brake in a straight line. Ease the brake nice and slow as you turn the wheel. And power. Very light on the brakes. Rise the brake as you enter the corner. Patience, and power. Brake in a straight line as you turn the wheel. Ease the brake slowly. There you go. That was nice. Patience with the gas. Power. Nice. Check 17 is Joey, I got eyes on you. Turn your head and look through that left side window. 10 points of reference. Eyes up. Power. Turn your head and look through that right side window. There you go. Look down that straightaway. Look through the turns. Patient with the gas. Power. Look through that left side window. Look down that straightaway. Power. Light brake in a straight line, ease the brake. Ease the brake slowly as you turn the wheel. Be patient with the gas, allow the vehicle to turn. And power. Nice shape. That's through those side windows. Truck 16 is Joey, I got eyes on you. Smooth it out. Eyes up, look down that straightaway. Power. Brake hard in a straight line. Ease the brake slowly as you can. Patience with the gas. And power. Light brake. Look through that right side window. Allow the vehicle to turn. Patient with the gas. Alright, truck 6 is Joey, I got eyes on you. Down that straightaway, light brake in a straight line, turn your head to the right side window and power. Light brake, turn to the left, look down that straightaway, power. And brake hard in a straight line, ease that brake slowly as you turn the wheel. Power, look down that straightaway, brake in a straight line, turn your head to that right side window, be patient with the gas, allow the vehicle to turn. Power. Alright.
And across the line.
Eyes on you.
You ready? Now I am. And I ain't gonna wait for you. First truck I drove real good. This truck ain't pretty good too. Can't sing it too much. Your Baja must be mad at me. You gotta get it in early. Double weed. Down into this one. This one's decent, right? Just slow it down and turn it in. Oh yeah. If I wanted to do it fast, I'd back it in there, but I don't have a brake. Yeah, this truck does weigh enough, but they'd get mad. Gosh, that brake zone is terrible. I caught the bump that time.
Yeah.
Too many critters. That's right. Help me slow down to this. Not already connected yet. Together though. Yeah, good already connected there. I didn't feel it. Yeah, then it came back. She's gonna get it back to the broadcast center. Yeah, I sure noticed how you shift the weight. Get it where exactly where you want it to go.
Al, did you have fun?
Man, I had an awesome time.
It was awesome, eh?
So cool.
Oh,
It's a good thing we rode with the pro drivers at
Yes.
the end, because we would have tried to do what they did.
yeah, exactly. I was already taking note how he had his seat position and
Oh,
everything.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Right, gentlemen, sit back, relax, ask your questions. We'll we're basically asshole all the way back to the building.
Well, we definitely got the truck dirty and dusty and had a great time today at Raptor Assault. So if you guys get the letter in the mail after buying your Raptor, if you buy a new Raptor, you do get that letter, and it is definitely worth it. Come check these guys out. It is a challenging experience, but they walk you through it. And if you are a good driver, you're still gonna feel like you've done something that maybe you wouldn't feel comfortable doing in your regular truck for the most part, depending on who you are and where you live, I guess. But for me anyways, I wasn't taking my $100,000 truck up on some of the stuff we did today. So it's really good that they do have this available for the owners of the Raptor. So that's gonna wrap up our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep that hammer down.